Hello, my name is Patricia Starkey, and this is my screencast for my online classroom for professional development goal setting for peer coaching. The learning management system that I chose to use and create my online course on was through Canvas. This is my student view. I've included an easy-to-use navigation bar that will enable the learner to have easy access to their assignments, their modules, the announcements, the syllabus, discussion boards, and grades, as well as other learners and fellow peers and classmates. The structure of the units, I have 4 lessons that span for over a week. They're all labeled Week 1, Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, and Lesson 4. There is a getting started activity. In the beginning, the students are required to introduce themselves, answer a question, and submit their assignment by creating a recorded PowerPoint or upload their PowerPoint into Google Workspace. And there's 2 links here to show them YouTube videos to show them how to go about that process. All the assignments are linked to the grade books, and due dates are given as well. Now we'll go back to the back end. The goal setting assignment that I have included is a Week 1, Lesson 1 self-assessment worksheet. The self-assessment worksheet is a prereq before getting started to the other assignments. The goal setting activity is used for the learners to evaluate themselves so that they can see how they are progressing through their goal setting goals. And at the bottom there is a form. After they answer the questions, the last question here is basically a tally to show them where they stand at, how to analyze their score. And again, it's just used as a goal setting to measure where they are at as far as how they're progressing through their goals and creating their goals. There's also another assessment, which is a quiz. This quiz was created also using the learning management system in Canvas, and it is linked to the gradebook. This quiz consists of a variety of 6 questions, and there are instructions here with the learning objectives as well about how to begin and how to submit their completed quiz, and the submission button is enabled. The individual assignments, again, were all created through the learning management system. There are 3 prereqs that I've added for the Week 1 module. There's a mandatory roll call, there's a getting started activity, and then there's a Lesson 1 assessment worksheet. The activities include an interactive game component to one of them, so that helps the learner recognize obstacles and strengths. And it is and after they complete that, then there's an assignment that they are required to do, and that's for them to create a digital journal. There's a group assignment included as well. The group assignment is a simulation for peer coaching goal setting support system. The collaboration and interaction will be done through the group's workspace that's created in the Google platform. And to complete the assignment, the group is required to work together and create a multimedia product, and a URL is to be submitted through the learning management system. There's a content discussion board as well as the introductory discussion board, and it is based off of the readings that are in the Reading and Resource tab. I have included at least 5 types of multimedia, including video files from YouTube. I have an MP4 audio video, which is the the goal setting instructional video. I have hyperlinks for further reading, and I have collaborative tools using Google Shared Docs. There are rich images for each lesson and an interactive game tool using Deck Toys. And lastly, I've included a list of references used for creating my online course in Canvas. Thank you so much for listening.